Welcome back, COCO crew.
My name is Holly.
And I'm Nurse Nikki.
In today's video, we're going to be giving you top 5 tips that we believe will be very useful for you when you're trying to come up with your own logo for your cottage food business. Our first tip for you is do the work first. And what I mean by that is you need to find time to understand who you are, what your company stands for, and the feelings that you want your company to convey to your customers when they see your logo. You need to be able to answer the why question. Besides money, of course, we all are doing the business for the money, but why did you start your business and why do you sell the products that you sell? Once you're able to understand that, then it'll be easier for you to answer those questions when people ask you why did you start your business. And it'll be easier for you to come up with a great logo that represents yourself, your brand, and your beliefs.
Tip number 2 is to focus on your niche. You want to create a logo that appeals to your target audience and delivers a message for them specifically. It should be something that reflects your solution for them, which is your business offering, so they understand what you do and why it makes sense for them. In our logo, we have Nurse Nikke's coconut cakes, all the flavor minus the frosting. So what we're trying to convey to our audience is that we make coconut cakes and no, they have no frosting on it. And that's for the people who really don't want to have like a cake that has like 3 sticks of butter and cream cheese all over it, who really want to taste the flavors of the cake, and also don't want to have that heavy sugar rush. Our cakes are sweet, but we don't intend it to be overly sweet, and that's what a lot of people say they love about our cakes.
Again, our niche is coconut cakes. That the name itself is in the logo. We have pictures of coconuts in our logo. So you want to convey that image in your logo so your customers can know, hey, they sell so-and-so or they sell so-and-so. You want to be Bob Johnson selling shoes and you got pictures of candy.
Bananas.
That was random. Very You got pictures of bananas in your logo. So you want to focus on your niche. Tip number 3, make sure that they can read your logo. Remember, your logo is going to be across many business assets or branding assets that you have, such as business cards, your website, social media, all those platforms that your logo is going to be on. So you want to make sure that your logo is readable and visible on those different platforms.
The 4th tip we have for you guys is to try to stay as timeless as possible. What we mean by that is classics never go out of style. There's a lot of trends that come and go and can be tempting to follow the latest one, but using short time design trends is something you want to avoid. You want to ask yourself, is this going to look good 5 to 10 years from now?
The last and 5th tip that we have for you guys is to be memorable. Again, just like having your logo to be readable, you also want your logo to be memorable. If somebody sees your logo at quick glance, you want them to remember what that logo is and what that logo stood for, what company that it represents. If you stay true to your brand values and design a logo that effectively communicates who you are, the easier it will be for people to recall your logo and think about your brand.
If somebody wants to have like a nice little event and they want it to be tropical, they want their cakes to be, finger friendly, finger foods. You can always get, the coconut cakes that you see at every corner, at every Publix, at every Stop and Shop. Or you can get yourself a Nurse Nikke's coconut cakes and you ain't got to worry about people having frosting all over their hands.
Insert promo right here. Now, but for real, guys, since we're talking about the business, y'all need to head over to the Instagram. We got a TikTok now, right?
Oh, yes, we
got TikTok now. Head over to the Instagram or TikTok and check out our video for the cinnamon spice coconut cake we just released.
And let us know if you're heading over to our TikTok from YouTube. Drop it in the comments below underneath one of our videos or pictures.
And Instagram too. Also, guys, remember, if you have any questions that you want to ask us, We try to drop videos every Sunday. Drop a question in the comments, and then we'll read through the comments on the next video. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, drop those coconut emojis. Okay, don't forget about those coconut emojis.
COCO crew.
COCO crew. And we'll see you guys in the next video. All the flavor
Minus the frosting.
All right. Welcome back, COCO crew. Baby, you looking over here. The camera's here, man. The camera's right here. You looking over here. Ain't nobody over there.
Leave me alone. Welcome back, COCO crew.
My name is Holly.
And I'm Nurse Nikki.
And
Let me introduce myself, boo. Try again. Take a deep breath. You want a sip of coffee?
I don't want no coffee.
You want to try that again? Try to get it.
It's good.
This.
Chop it out, but. Why you so petty, man? Why you so petty? Huh? You want to cheese it.